Question number 6. It is given that cot x by 3 plus 2 log sin x dx integrations. So now in this questions we put 3 plus 2 log sin x is equal to t. Now derivative of this function is 3 का derivative 0, 2 log sin x 2 as it is, log sin x is 1 upon sin x का derivative फिर करेंगे cos x dx is equal to dt. So now this becomes cos upon sin cot x, 2 cot x dx is equal to dt, cot x dx is equal to dt by 2, 2 transpose to right hand side. Now this becomes 1 by 2 dt upon t. Now we know that 1 upon t, integration of 1 upon t is log t. So 1 by 2 log t plus c, 1 by 2 log t, value of t is 3 plus 2 log sin x plus c. This is your first part of question number first. In second part it is given that 1 by x into 1 plus log x dx. In this part we put 1 plus log x, derivative of 1 plus log x is equal to t. 1 का derivative 0 log x, 1 by x dx is equal to dt. 1 by x dx change to dt and this becomes 1 by t. 1 by t integration of log t. So now this is also became log t plus c. So now log of value of t is 1 plus log x plus c. This is your part number second. In this question number 6, all part we put the value of substitution method and solve them. Now in third part 1 by x into log x, log of log x dx. Now we put these functions log of log x. Now this log and this is its angle, यानी कि log x. Log of log x is equal to t. Now with derivative log x 1 by log x and derivative of log x is 1 by x. dx is equal to dt. So now this becomes 1 by x log x dx is equal to dt. So these functions becomes 1 by x log x dx is equal to dt and 1 upon this function goes to t. So 1 upon t. Now this question part is do yourself. 1 upon t is equal to log t plus c. Put the value of t. Now in fourth part say that 1 minus x square under the square root sin inverse x is equal to dx. Put the value of sin inverse x is equal to t. Sin inverse x को t put करेंगे. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by में 1 minus x square under the square root dx is equal to dt. So now this function becomes 1 upon 1 by में 1 minus x square under the square root is equal to dt. And this becomes 1 upon 2. This is because this term is denominator. So then this becomes 1 by t dt. So 1 by t is equal to log t. Put the value of t. Now in question number 7, it is given that secant x into log secant x plus dx integration of this function. Now we put this log secant x plus tan x is equal to t. हमने log secant x plus tan x को t put किया तो log 1 upon secant x plus tan x, secant x का डेरिवेटिव करते हैं secant x into tan x और tan x का डेरिवेटिव हो गया secant square x dx is equal to dt. So now we take secant x common out. This becomes tan x plus secant x by में this secant x plus tan x. This cancel to this. We get secant x dx is equal to dt. This secant x dx change to dt and this function's value becomes t. So t dt integration of this. t का integration करते हैं. Integration of t is t square by 2 plus c. So then 1 by 2 into में value of t is log secant x plus tan x का whole square plus c. In second part of this question it is given that secant square x dx 1 minus में tan square x under the square root. So now we put the value of this 1 minus tan square x under the square root. We put only tan x because the derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. tan x को हमने t पुट किया, tan का डेरिवेटिव secant square x dx is equal to dt, then this becomes dt by में 1 minus t square. Now we identify this dt by में 1 minus t square under the square root. ये इसका इंटीग्रेशन है. Now integrate of this we get 1 by में 1 minus x square under the square root dx. This is the integration of sin inverse x. So now this is the integration of sin inverse t. अगर ये साइन इनवर्स x का है तो ये है साइन इनवर्स t प्लस c. तो So now this becomes sine inverse t. Value of t is tan x. We put the value of tan x is equal to t. So put the value of t tan x plus c. Now this is your part number second. And third part say that secant square x a plus b tan x dx. Now we put these denominator a plus b tan x is equal to t. A derivative 0, b as it is tan derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. So now secant square x dx is equal to dt by b. We take 1 by b common out, dt by t. 1 by b as it is 1 by t. Integration of 1 by t is log t plus c. 1 by b log t की value 1 a plus b tan x plus c. This is the part number third. And last part of this question say that root tan x 1 plus tan square x dx. We know that secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So now we find the value of 1 plus tan square x. So secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. So now this functions becomes tan root x secant square x dx. Now we put tan x under the square root is equal to t. Derivative of tan x is secant square x dx is equal to dt. तो नाउ दिस फंक्शन बिकेम्स रूट t dt. तो t की पावर 1 by 2 इंटीग्रेट करते इस फंक्शन को तो 1 by 2 पावर के अंदर 1 ऐड किया, ऐसा ही डिनोमिनेटर के अंदर प्लस c. तो देन दिस बिकेम्स t की पावर 3 by 2 एंड दिस 3 by 2 प्लस c. नाउ 2 upon 3 t की पावर 3 by 2 प्लस c. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ t. हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ t इज tan x. 2 upon 3 tan x की होल पावर 3 by 2 plus c. This is your question number 7.